In Dubai, we stayed in the Westcott Hotel, which is located at prime location Gubaiba, near to famous Meena Bazaar and Dubai Gold Souk. From this hotel, the Gold Souk is at 4 km, which takes 5 minutes drive. We have taken a cab and we are going to Gold Souk. The Gold Souk is located in Deira, which is a Dubai's commercial business district. In this video, let us start Gold Souk walking tour. The Dubai Gold Souk is one of the largest and popular gold market in the world. Dubai travelers will must visit this market to purchase gold, as gold here is pure and usually priced lower than in several parts of the world and also tax free. This is Deira gold market. Now we are entering Dubai's famous gold market called as Gold Souk. The Gold Souk has narrow lanes that are lined up with hundreds of jewelry shops. The Gold Souk consists of over 380 retail gold shops. We can enter the Gold Souk in 3 gates. The Gold Souk in Dubai is a heaven for gold lovers. The major ornaments that are available here are gold, platinum and diamond. We have entered on gold shop. See varieties of gold ornaments, how they are displayed here. Please make a note, all these gold ornaments are of 21 carat. This shop deals ornaments of 21 carat only. In one of the shop near gate number 1, there is a display of the world's largest ring of 58 kg of 21 carat, which is recorded in Guinness Book. The gold souk will open from 10 am to 10 pm. Evening will be much crowded than in the morning. A trip to Dubai is not completed without a visit to the famous gold souk. Only this much in this video. In the next video, I will show you where and how we have purchased the gold in the gold souk and how we have claimed the VAT refund in the airport. We have returned back to our hotel by taxi. One thing I have noticed, the taxi fare in Dubai is little bit expensive. Because while going, we have paid 15 dirham, that is 330 rupees for 4 km. And while return back, the taxi has charged 35 dirham, that is 800 rupees. Thank you very much for watching my video.